Hello, Daniel here, and welcome to another one of my product unboxing videos. So we're literally just going to unbox this soldering iron today, just to show you what you can expect if you're buying it. It's the soldering station, and the model is RJ969. It's made by Tilswall. It's 220 to 240 volt AC, and it's up to 65 watt. The output voltage is 26 volt AC. Not sure if that's important. And importantly, the temperature is a range from 200 to 480. So depending on your project, excuse me, you would need the correct temperature for that. It comes in this brown box. I haven't had a quick look already. It is very well packed. It wasn't a lot of money. It's about £40. I've got a soldering iron already, but I need something a little bit better. So this is just thanking us for buying it. If you've got any customer queries, please contact them. And it looks like they sell all sorts of tools, and I can confirm they do. Warranty card. Okay, fair enough. Quite a comprehensive user manual by the looks of it. So this shows the soldering iron on the front. There is an electronic version available as well, which you can download via QR code. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different languages available, and it gives you the what the item looks like, what's included, the tips, and it'll also tell you the specifications about it, which we did just run over a little bit a minute ago. General cleaning, maintenance. It's important to maintain these when you're using it. And a troubleshooting guide. It just gives you information, and then it's obviously on to the next language. So it looks like there's three little boxes in the main box. There's a rectangle box there, which is the soldering iron itself. Let's just move this at the side. So you've got the soldering iron itself. It's got a tip already in it, and it's got a collar that you can unscrew. That would be your tip you'd use for electronics. It's got a nice silicone rubber grip here, so if you're using it for an extended period of time, it doesn't do your hands in. On the end, it's got a almost like audio type connector, multi-pin that plugs into the main station, and they've included a tube of solder with it as well.
One thing I just wanted to say straight away, because the heating element is not within the soldering iron itself, it's a lot lighter, so it's less strain.
No, it is within the soldering iron itself. Yeah, sorry about that. That is included in the soldering iron in it, but the power side of things is on the main unit. That's what the point is trying to make, I think. So this is the third box, and it is very well packaged, very well packaged, and they've included a piece of foam. We'll just put these bits as we're using them over here. This is the main control unit. It's made from plastic, on and off switch here. AC powering at the back, 3-pin AC power.
Rubber feet.
Rubber feet. Plenty of cooling at the sides.
Stylish.
It looks stylish, yeah, that's true. You've got variable temperature control here from 200 all the way to 480 as indicated. It looks like it's in Fahrenheit as well. Yeah, Celsius and Fahrenheit, so if you're not used to that. Cal, not sure what that's about. And ESD safe, electrostatic discharge safe, so obviously it takes it out if you can do something. That just plugs in there. Okay, what else have we got? So with this unit, there's also a stand, and the stand comes with a copper wall. Basically, when you're using it, you clean the tip with that, gets the old solder off. So this is the stand. It's all very stylish and well made. This ball here would go into here, and then the main soldering iron itself would go into there, so the heat can still. Is that plastic or is that like a metal?
It's plastic. You have to be careful with that, wouldn't you?
No, I think it's metal, you know. It's definitely something very. So that's what that would look like. Yeah, very stable. So that would plug in there like that, and that would go at the side. And then the third and final box.
Most essential bit, the power lead.
It's just the power lead which would plug in the back.
Let's see how long this is, because that's important.
So if you was working with this and you had it on the desk,
Someone's had a bit of fun with this.
yeah, it's very, very well packaged. Not all products are like this. The plug is a molded plastic. It's quite good quality, I would say.
It's a branded plug.
Branded plug. U-bill. Not heard of those before.
Even that's a good fit. Comes off nice and
Yeah,
easy. Fused.
Yeah. Fused as well.
How long is it? It's 5 foot.
Yeah, 5 foot cable. That's quite a long lead, and that just literally plugs straight in the back.
Just how easy it plugs in.
I mean, you would have these laying about if you've got computers and things.
I tell you one thing I've noticed about
It's
this.
just at the back because it's got like a little hole for that. I'm not sure what that's for.
Even pushing this in, it fits well. A lot of them are a bit sloppy.
Okay, so all in all, obviously we haven't used it yet, but this is just mainly an unboxing video. So this is everything that's included. A thank you card, a warranty information card, a manual, quite a comprehensive manual, the base station with variable temperature control, soldering iron itself, very well made. They do actually, one final bit to the video, they do actually include these tips. It comes with that one in it for electronic soldering, but they do include a wide variety of tips here. That was in a box and we didn't find it until we sort of started clearing up. A nice little resealable plastic wallet for it. They're hollow. You can buy these brass ones I bought for it as spares, but got these included. So you've got a cutting, a small cutting, you've got all the tips you'd need. We'll just show how easy it is to change one of these tips.
Unscrew, and if that was a tip out of there,
so you'd just take that off the end, yeah.
Put a new one on, slide it over there.
So these ones slide over rather than screw. There are other soldering irons that have screw tips.
And screw that up, and that's nice and easy. Obviously do it when it's cold.
Yeah.
Just bear that in mind.
Yeah, definitely. Sort of plan ahead a little bit. Right, thanks for watching.